The best day to start an Amazon business and to launch your first product is today. The best time besides today was 10 years ago. There will not be a better day than today anymore. So every day it's going to get harder. Now, there will be new tools, there will be new strategies, there will be more data. You got to stay on top of it. So make the commitment also that you're going to always be a learner. You have to be learning constantly. So there's a few fake gurus on here. Like this guy has been sued by the FTC for tens of millions of dollars. He had a settlement against him. You might recognize him from sitting in front of a Lambo and talking about how easy Amazon is. Don't fall for that crap. Learn from someone actually doing it who's going to tell you the reality of it. Be careful. And do not fall for the done for you. The done for you business, the automated, the passive income, all of those guys are getting arrested. They're stealing your money. They are not legit. None of them are legit. All right. That is just a scam, because if they could do it for you, they would just continue to do it for themselves. Right. I'm teaching you how to fish. I'm not offering to fish for you, because I'm fishing for myself. Right. So if my wife wasn't running my brands business and I had to be in the business, I wouldn't have time to teach like I do. So the fact that she and I work together frees me up to come and help others, which is, so fulfilling for us. So that's why we can do what we do. But we're not going to offer to do it for you. No one's going to do it for you. You got to do it yourself. So make that commitment that you're going to do it yourself. All right. If you don't have the time to commit to this and you don't want to commit to, don't start. Don't waste your money. Don't sign up for any more classes. Don't worry about the software. Don't order any inventory, because you'll just lose your money. I can guarantee you're going to lose your money in the long run. Okay. So please make the commitment that you're going to learn this yourself. And if you make the commitment to launch it, you are going to launch it and do it yourself.
Hey, if you're enjoying this content, you're going to love the master classes that we host on a regular basis. We've got over 1,000 members in our private community, and over 400 of them are already doing over $1 million. We regularly host master classes with hundreds of students, and you can find out more below. Join us.
All right. And you can see that it's not just the money. I mean, there were very, very smart people coming into this industry, some of which had already been sellers, right? That raised a ton of money, hundreds of millions or even over $1 billion to go buy Amazon businesses. And they failed. They ended up failing. They bought businesses and those businesses crashed, because no one is going to care about your business as much as you do. That's the bottom line here. So don't get in the mindset also that you're going to be able to spin up a few products and then hand it over to somebody. That person is not going to care about your business as much as you do. So again, you're making the commitment today that when you go through this process, you launch this product, that you are going to build $1 million business and you are going to be the main operator of that business. You can outsource certain things, but no one's going to care about your business and run your business. No one's going to be up from dinner time until 2 a.m. every night, working on their business, except for you, right? And I wish that it was just a 40-hour-a-week business once it gets to a certain size. Once you have a 7-figure business, you really need to learn how to scale that business with people and with processes. And that's another whole animal. A lot of people sell their business at that point, and that's fine. But no one's going to help you get to that point besides yourself. All right. So selling on Amazon is hard. This is the reality. So it's a simple business model, right? It's solved. I'll tell you, the first thing I'm telling you is that it's solved. I could tell you what data to look at. I could tell you how to disrupt. I could give you the processes, but it's going to take a lot of learning curves. It's going to take a lot of work. You're going to learn over the next few days only the product development learning curves, right? We're going to talk about sourcing, and we're going to get into sourcing in that last day, but you still got logistics. You've still got content creation for your images and your content and your image stack and your A+ content. You've still got marketing and PPC, which are massive learning curves. So what you're learning over the course of these few days and these few classes is just the first learning curve to being successful. Now, you'll see that it's solved. It's fun. If you enjoy doing it like I do, I love product development. I love design. I love being creative. And that's one thing. But once you get that product and you make that commitment on that order, there's a couple more things you got to do that are really important, and ads is another whole monster. All right. So it's more competitive than it ever has been, and it'll only continue to get more competitive. The best day to start an Amazon business and to launch your first product is today. The best time besides today was 10 years ago, all right? There will not be a better day than today anymore. So every day it's gonna get harder. Now, there will be new tools, there will be new strategies, there will be more data. You gotta stay on top of it. So make the commitment also that you're gonna always be a learner. You have to be learning constantly.